How to change the system language of your iPhone 16e. Simply find the settings icon. Okay, it should look like this. If you do not see it, simply go all the way towards the right side, tap on the top and type settings. Oops. Here we go. Tap on it. And from here, you need to find general, should be this option, the first one of the second bunch of options. Go down, and from here, you should see language and region. Then on the top, you're going to see preferred languages. Now, the first one is the language that is currently applied to your iPhone. You can have multiple languages. So what I suggest is you click on Add Language, select the one you want to use. Let's say I want French, so I'll find it over here. And it will ask you if you want to use that language as the primary language, which means that the whole system, the whole iPhone will change to that language that you have selected. So I would say use French, wait a few seconds. Usually it doesn't take more than 3. Here we go. So the whole system menu right now is in French. If I want to switch it back to English, I simply have to go back. And as you see, French is first, English is on the bottom. But if I keep press and drag these 3 sandwich lines like that, English will be on top. If I press continue, the whole system will switch back to English. And I can have multiple languages and simply switching between them by dragging the one I want on the top. So it changes in just a few seconds. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.